They have been trained by an elite military, and most critical, they want your blood on their hands. Like countless men before us, we invade a beach in the name of war. This is a new age of combat. Today we need to protect our land and our people for liberty. It won't be easy, but I expect you to achieve your objective. Men, don't let your guards down. Wait, you're with me. Stay close. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, move!
Keep moving! We need to reach Delta Team!
Sir, Delta team's pinned, but the area ahead is swarming with hostiles.
Blake, use the remote to deploy the drone. Secure this area so we can advance. Drone is gone. Nice shooting. Time to move in. Watch my back.
Walker, we've got new intel. A diplomat was able to make a call from inside the conference center. The security hired for the summit, Saunders Global Security, are the ones responsible for the attack. They've taken over the whole facility.
Understood. Follow me! Check those corners. Friendlies! Hold your fire! We know what's on the other side.
Negative. Command's requested a surgical strike instead of bombarding the beach.
Stack the doors, prepare for breach, and clear. Once in, move the cover, and neutralize all hostiles. Ready? Let's go! Move out! Clear the area! Let's go, Blake! We have hostiles! Engage! Taking fire! That's another kill! Cover me! Reloading! Hostile up front! Oh, shit! Move up! Requesting reinforcements! We have hostiles!
Enemy to your right! Walker, UAVs have been deployed to provide aerial support.
Hostile eliminated! Tango moving! Up front! Man! Enemy! Yes! Cover me! We have hostiles! No! Drop that! To your right! Requesting cover fire! Behind cover! Flank him! Tango, to your right! Oh! Damn! Oh. Hostile neutralized! I'm reloading! Oh. That's a kill! Let's go, Blake! We have hostiles! Hostile eliminated! Oh shit! I'm reloading! Oh! Another takedown! Move to my position! Knight, this is Walker! Top of the wall is secured! Blake, call up a Paragon missile with your tablet! Take out the wall! Heads up! Missile strike! We have more work to do. Let's go.
Walker, move up the road and link up with Lieutenant Down.
Get in! Blake, you're in the back. Walker, ride shotgun.
Lieutenant, air support is limited until you destroy those anti-aircraft vehicles. After that, move to extraction.
Copy that, Knight. We're mobile. What the hell's going on? Mercenaries taking VIP hostages?
Yeah, right after everything that went down in Seattle and Moscow. Shit!
Crap! Here we go again.
Go, go, go!
Hold on to your shit! Hang on, this should work!
Taking fire! Eliminate those tangos!
Under fire! Take out the hostiles! This private military company, SDS. They have branches all over the world, right? Could this be some kind of coup?
Could be. They're mercenaries. That means we need to figure out who the client is.
Holy fuck! Chopper inbound! Hang on, boys! Good work!
You out of your damn mind!
Oh, fuck! Who are these clowns?
Identify and neutralize tangos! Let's go!
Move it!
Engaging target!
Moving to position! Return fire! Clear the area!
Area secure.
Shit! Check out this anti-air battery. Even the US military doesn't have these. I got this one. Get back! Move!
Flags down. Okay, they know we're here. Get ready. Taking fire. Eliminate those tangos.
Under fire! Take out the hostiles!
It's clear. Regroup! Let's go! Knight, area is too hot! We need air support!
I can't deliver until that second AA vehicle is gone.
Confirmed. Let's locate and eliminate the anti-air! Damn! What's the cover fire? No! Switching back! That's another kill! Give me cover fire! Blake! Flank their position!
Another one down! I don't have a clear shot!
Hostile up front! Blake! Flank their position!
eliminated! Kill confirmed! Pick up the RPG! Good! Destroy the AA! Good! Destroy the AA! Alright, blow up that AA!
Air support inbound. Make your way to the hotel for extraction. Your team is urgently needed at the site of the conference.
Understood.
Hit them from the side! Oh, shit! Nice shot! What the? I need backup! Cover me! I'm reloading!
Hostile eliminated! Takedown confirmed!
Hit them from the side!
Look for alternate paths! No! Tango, down!
Reinforcements are inbound! Reloading! Friendly! Damn!
What the? Right, neutralized!
Taking back! Holy shit!
Tango eliminated! I'm changing back! No! Enemy at 12 o'clock!
Hostile up front! Damn!
Target down!
I'm trying to clear!
Son of a bitch! Cover me! Reloading! Hostile sighted!
Nice shooting! Holy shit! Tango moving! Up front!
Enemy at 12 o'clock!
Damn! Take cover! Peek behind cover! Got a kill! All clear!
Walker, the mercenaries have locked down the conference center. The president has been taken hostage. We've intercepted chatter indicating that the SGS mercenaries plan to execute him.
Shit! This situation isn't gonna unfuck itself!
Watch out!